Samsung and iFixit seem to have parted ways. The CEO of iFixit has said that Samsung's approach to repairability does not align with their mission. It's been 2 years since the two companies first partnered together, but it's now resulted in them failing to renegotiate a new contract. iFixit says they will continue to offer repair parts and detailed teardown guides for Samsung products. However, iFixit will be going at this alone, rather than being able to partner with Samsung for genuine parts and officially approved repair manuals. It seems that pricing is one of the major reasons for this breakup too. iFixit was working to try to get costs for these genuine parts down, but an example given shows that Samsung charged over $160 to replace a worn-out battery, while the same thing for an Apple iPhone and a Google Pixel cost around $50. Samsung has had terms in their contract with iFixit too that prevented them from helping local repair shops. And on top of all of this, a new report is out that claims Samsung has inserted a clause in contracts with local repair shops that require these shops to send Samsung your name, address, telephone number, serial number, IMEI number, and even customer complaint details, all to Samsung. The contract even has wording in there that allegedly forces these small repair shops to strip out any aftermarket parts from your phone. This contract has some wild requirements in there, and I'm generally shocked to see them in these reports. Samsung has not confirmed these new terms, but the contracts have been verified by multiple sources throughout the media. These new rules seem to go a step further too, with the iFixit CEO talking about how Samsung has been adding people to a database of theirs just for buying an official replacement part. With that said, it does seem hard to believe that these independent repair shops will actually strip out any of these aftermarket parts. That just seems bad for business, and of course it will result in a lot of lawsuits. But we have to remember, at least here in the States, that right to repair laws are different from state to state. So while California and Minnesota may have more strict laws going into place, others are more relaxed and can even side with the company over the customer in some places. This news was incredibly disheartening to me, as I have championed Samsung hardware for so long. I still believe they produce the best hardware in the Android market. It's difficult for other companies to achieve the same build quality that we see even in these low-end and mid-range devices from Samsung. And I can only hope that the outrage from these reports puts Samsung on the defensive and forces them to rewrite these contracts and stop playing games with hardware that we as customers have spent hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars to purchase and own.